our mission is to free our cities with clean rides for everyone. I always believe that you need vehicles that are for everyone to use. And the e-scooter is great, it's super exciting to ride, but very clearly it's not something that my mother today would want to use. If I want to be able to offer a service for everyone, I need to offer a service that my mother also can use, and therefore I thought that the e-bike was probably the most universal vehicle that we could offer to people in cities, and therefore I'm quite excited about it. Yeah.
We deploy vehicles in Europe, so having them assembled and distributed from Portugal is obviously a lot cheaper and CO2 smart.
One of the key design principles was that the frame is a unique piece created from an aluminium block without welding, so we can have one light frame and robust at the same time, and looks more minimal, but everything that the user needs to feel the comfort, to feel the freedom, and to feel ergonomics.
You know, we wanted to make sure that we had good battery autonomy. We wanted to make sure that the wheels were solid. We knew that we had a lot in front of us in terms of developing these things and making sure that they were going to be really robust in a city environment. All of the critical moving parts of the bike have been on some kind of test setup there and been through numerous cycles.
In all the steps that we take, from repair, recharging to a relocation of bikes, ensures operational excellence. Obviously, one of the key aspects is parking. With the data that we are collecting on the trips, we're able to recommend whether parking should be increased, decreased, suppressed, added, and we'll have a continuous collaboration to make sure that our service is very well integrated in the city and a true service to the inhabitants.
We have London first, then we have Paris, and we are already in discussion with a number of